In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment on Outlook Calendar. To get started, open Outlook and head to the Calendar section. This is where you can view your schedule, manage upcoming events, and create new appointments. If you're currently in your inbox or another Outlook area, simply switch over to Calendar so you can work from the scheduling view. Once you're in the calendar, click on New Event. This opens the event creation window where you'll enter all the details for your appointment. This is the main place where you build the event, so take a moment to make sure you're on the correct form before moving ahead. Next, add a title for the appointment and include attendees if needed. The title should clearly describe the purpose of the meeting or appointment, so it's easy to recognize later in your calendar. For example, you might use something short and specific, like a project update, client call, or team check-in. If other people need to be part of the event, add them in the attendees field so Outlook can include them in the invitation. This helps everyone stay informed and keeps the appointment organized from the beginning. After that, choose the time for the appointment. Set the correct date along with the start and end time. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so it's worth double checking to make sure the timing is accurate. If you're scheduling something with other attendees, choosing the right time carefully can help avoid confusion and reduce the chance of overlap with other calendar items. Once the time is set, search for a location. This can be a physical place, like an office or meeting room, or it can simply be used to note where the appointment will happen. Adding a location is helpful because it gives everyone one more piece of context and makes the calendar event more complete. If you're meeting in person, this step can prevent follow-up messages asking where to go. When everything looks correct, click Save. Outlook will then create the appointment and place it on your calendar. If you added attendees, Outlook may also send the event details to them, depending on how the appointment is being set up. And that's it. You've successfully created an appointment on Outlook Calendar. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to quickly review the title, time, attendees, and location before saving, just to make sure all the details are correct.